What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's Curly Hair Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today you're gonna see me do a Devacurl wash and go featuring all the stuff that I've gotten in the mail. It's only right that I do a Devacurl wash and go for my first wash and go since I got my Deva cuts. Right now I have a bit of an afro going on. There's a whole lot going on. I'm just gonna wash it, get my curls defined. This is my hair before the wash, and I'm gonna come back after everything is dried and show you what I look like after. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna just jump straight into it. First, I'm gonna go in with my Devacurl Build Up Buster. This is what it looks like. One of the main ingredients in here is micellar water. It pretty much gets rid of all the dirt deep down in your follicles, acts as a magnet to remove and lift off all the dirt. The first time I got this and then it finished, I was so devastated. I didn't know what to do anymore because this was my favorite cleanser. Once I started using it for the first time, I really saw my hair get lighter and like fluffier because it drew out all those impurities out from my scalp and just allowed my hair to do its own thing. So that's why I'm super in love with this, and it's also one of the first cleansers that I've seen with an applicator. It's simple, but how genius is that to like target every single. That's what it looks like. And this shampoo, it doesn't have any parabens or sulfate or anything like that because it already has the active ingredients needed to cleanse my hair thoroughly without like sulfates. I'm gonna add some more. It's so crazy because I have less hair. Oh shit. I just wasted like half of the product that I put in my hand. It's so crazy because I have less hair, but I still feel like I used the same amount of products. Washing my hair feels so good now. Ooh, I like this slicked back look. I should do this look. What y'all think? I should do this look or nah? I should do the wet look again when it gets warmer. Summer 2020. Alright, so my hair is clean. The conditioner, this is the Decadence. I love me some Decadence. The Decadence line, the leave-in which you'll see me use, and the conditioner. So before the leave-in actually came out, I used to already use the conditioner as a leave-in conditioner. When I did the cleanser and then I put this on top, I would not wash this all the way completely out because I love the way it felt in my hair as a conditioner already, and it just really allowed my curls to spring. After I fell in love with the Decadence, the leave-in actually came out and I was like, this is perfect, and I got the leave-in. Right now I'm going in with the Decadence. Whoop. I'm putting it throughout my hair. This conditioner really helps my curl activation. It forms my curls perfectly. That's why I really love this conditioner. The Decadence line by Devacurl, if you have super curly hair or coily hair, amazing. This is crazy. My wash and goes now are gonna take like 5 minutes. I'm almost done. Look at this. Like it just helps my curls to just form so neatly and nicely and perfect. I absolutely love this conditioner. That's why I used to use it as a leave-in. Time to rinse. Now that the conditioner is done, the star of the show is my deep conditioner. This is the Devacurl Deep Sea Repair Mask, and this is really good for protein. Seaweed is great for vitamin A, vitamin C. It helps to open up the follicles also in your hair, which aids hair growth. When I first tried the Deep Sea Repair Mask, I tried it in like a little sample, and it also came with the Melt Into Moisture. The Melt Into Moisture by Devacurl, that one is also really good. But I like this one more because it just made my hair feel stronger, and I think it was a really good treatment, which is probably why It allowed my curls to flourish a little bit more, melt into moisture. That one adds great moisture and it has good slip and everything. But the deep sea repair mask, it really does revive your curls. Whenever I need a pick-me-up, this is definitely what I use. Your hair needs protein, that's what it's made of. Whenever you add more protein, your hair will thank you for it. I'm only using about this much, or probably more. I'm probably gonna go back in. And it smells so good. Whenever I use this mask, my hair comes out looking more shiny, reflecting light and all that. I'm gonna leave this in for about 5 minutes. Put my plastic cap on to kind of trap the heat inside of the plastic cap and finish the rest of my shower, finish my business, do what I gotta do, and come back and start my styling process. Okay, you guys, now I'm back. I'm clean and everything. I'm ready to wash this off. And I'm gonna use water that's not so hot because I do like hot showers, and Dom did tell me that the reason why the crown of my head is so much different is because all the moisture from that part just escapes whenever I use hot water. So I'm gonna try my hardest to use cool, not cold, because I can't do cold. I'm gonna use cool water to rinse this out. Okay, now that that's done and my hair is still wet, I just want to go in with the moisture and everything. Right now I'm using the Deva Decadence, my absolute favorite. It just allowed my curls to just be more defined so effortlessly. I'm gonna just go ahead and apply using this much. Super lightweight. For the most part, you can see right through it. It's very transparent. I kind of scrunch like this now. It's very funny because my hair is so short now. I kind of just scrunch like this, like Edward Scissorhand or something. It clumps all the coils together. I love pairing the leave-in and the cleanser and conditioner together, the best. Now I'm going in with the Supercream. I'm only using about 1 pump, which is that much. Let me put this back before I end up going in again. This smells so good. Has that coconut in it. And just really getting every part of my hair. The Supercream is amazing. If you haven't tried the Supercream, definitely get it. You can even get a sample size because Sephora, they give out samples. So if you haven't tried it, definitely get your hands on it. I love the way it just clumps my curls together. And then the last, you see, this was super fast. My wash and goes are like this now, 2 minutes, not even. The last and final step is the Ultra Defining Gel. I pretty much use this to make it look a little bit more shinier and sleek and just hold my curls into place for a little bit longer, therefore allowing my wash and go to last a little bit longer. So I'm only using, well, yeah, that much. Ooh, it smells a little bit like Fruit Loops. You guys already know I would eat all of this. Getting that middle section, that's the most problematic. I'm not saying no names. You know who you are. Yup, y'all right here in the middle, you know who you are. I pretty much coated the Ultra Defining Gel throughout my hair, and that's really much it for this styling. Now I just have to let it dry. Super simple, literally 5 minutes, because now I don't have to worry about detangling this is my detangling process. As of now, these are the wet results, and I'm gonna come back once everything is dry and show you the dry results. Okay everyone, these are the final results, and this is what my hair looks like. This is a close-up of how defined the curls are. I'm gonna give you a little 360. And this is pretty much it. Like, this was the quickest wash and go that I've had in my entire life. The last step that I'm gonna go in with finally is the DevaFresh. This is the DevaFresh, and it's a curl revitalizer and a scalp revitalizer. Spray this all over. That was it. That's the last step to this Devacurl Big Chop updated wash and go. All I gotta do is lay these edges down, and honey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, you need to do that right now so you can watch the most updated video. Stay up to date on curly hair trends and this natural hair journey that we're going through. If you have any questions or want to reach out to me for whatever reasons, or have any big chop inquiries, let me know, because I'll be super happy and excited to answer them. I'll get back to you, no doubt. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.